Beneath the rolling waves and far below the reach of sunlight, the abyssal plains stretch in silent vastness, covering more than half of our planet's surface. Here, in this midnight realm, time itself seems to slow. It is a world of perpetual darkness, near freezing temperatures, and bone-crushing pressure, a place so hostile and remote that until recently, it was thought to be a lifeless desert of mud. Yet the abyssal plains are not empty. They are a hidden archive, preserving the relics of Earth's distant past in a way no other environment can. Imagine descending through miles of water, leaving behind every trace of human life. Down here, in the hush between tectonic ridges and volcanic mountains, lie secrets undisturbed for millennia, perfectly preserved ancient objects that serve as time capsules of the deep. Some are the remains of prehistoric creatures, their bodies locked within the silt, untouched since the age of dinosaurs. Others are artifacts of vanished civilizations, carried to these depths by chance, catastrophe, or currents that span the globe. Each discovery is a message from another era, sealed by the abyss and awaiting our interpretation. But what makes the abyssal plain such an extraordinary preserver of history? The answer lies in its extreme stillness. With almost no light, minimal oxygen, and temperatures hovering just above freezing, decay slows to a crawl. The sediment, a slow, steady rain of microscopic particles, settles gently over everything that finds its way here. This blanket of silt insulates and protects, creating an environment where even delicate structures can endure for millions of years. In recent decades, advanced submersibles and deep-sea robots have begun to probe these ancient archives. What they've found defies expectations. In one celebrated expedition, scientists uncovered the skeleton of an extinct whale, its massive bones sheathed in mineral deposits and surrounded by an entire ecosystem of creatures that had evolved to survive on its remains. This whale fall served as both grave and cradle, preserving the past while nourishing new forms of life. Elsewhere, researchers have discovered stone tools and pottery fragments swept from distant shores and now entombed in sediment, hinting at human stories lost to time. But the abyssal plains hold objects far older than humanity. In some places, the mud preserves microfossils dating back tens of millions of years, each a record of ancient climates and vanished oceans. In others, mysterious metallic spheres, the so-called manganese nodules, grow over eons, slowly accreting layers of minerals around a core. Some contain traces of rare elements or even meteorites, capturing the cosmic history of our planet in their silent growth. The preservation power of the abyss reaches its zenith in the ghost forests occasionally found there, petrified remains of ancient trees, buried when continents shifted and seas rose. Locked in these wooden relics are clues to prehistoric atmospheres, rainfall, and the rise and fall of civilizations. Each sample extracted is a window into Earth's forgotten chapters, written not in books, but in the language of chemistry and biology. Yet for all we have uncovered, the abyssal plains remain largely unexplored. It is estimated that less than 1% of these deep-sea deserts has ever been seen by human eyes. What else lies hidden beneath miles of water and mud? Could there be the preserved bones of unknown species, creatures that challenge our very definition of life? Or perhaps the sunken relics of civilizations so old their existence has been erased from human memory? The ocean's deepest plains remind us that our planet is still a place of unsolved mysteries. Each perfectly preserved object is a message from the past, waiting for the day when science and curiosity combine to unlock its secrets. In the abyss, time stands still, and in its silence, it guards the keys to our ancient origins, proof that the greatest stories are not always written, but waiting patiently beneath the waves.